belly. A boneless one. It's a Cebu chod, so lechon Cebu that.
So I don't think it's going to last until my birthday. I guess I'll have to buy some more.
So sanay ka when get a Cebu lechon. Although it's crispy. Oh,
The skin's really crispy, yeah.
yeah. Mm. Pero kung sanay ka, when you're used to Cebu lechon, kagaya ng Bisacol ka, at ang ginagamit mong Cebu lechon is really Cebu way. Lechon Cebu, so he likes Mang Tomas. Kasi sa Cebu talaga, kaya totoo yan, that they don't use ito yung ginagamit nila. Yun. So, ang sarap lang ng balat. But then wala siyang kaalat-alat kasi very boring. Sarap, no? Lasip. Takaw. Takaw. Okay.
That's so good, isn't it?
Hmm?
That's so good.
Sugod lang sa akin, tabang. Kasi when you hear the lechon Cebu, it's malasa siya and madaming lemongrass, yung tanglad, ang bango-bango, sibuyas and stuff. Ito, kunti lang so hindi siya ganun ka-Cebu, lasa. Pero, wala naman itong pakialam tong isa, Tada ba? Takab pa nas ko, And then, ayun. Cut natin to. So, ito yung sauce nila. Suka lang talaga. Kasi sa Cebu, suka naman. Okay na rin. I need to be grateful na lang for the grasya. But then Cebu lechon now, I won't expect.